Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the restore. Make sure your iPhone has enough free space and is on a stable Wi-Fi network. Plug it into power so the process won't stop. If your photos are in an iCloud backup, sign in with the same Apple ID. If using iTunes/Finder, connect to the Mac or PC that stores the encrypted backup. Once those checks are complete, choose Restore from Backup in Settings or in Finder/iTunes to kick off the transfer. You now follow the middle steps to get photos back. On the Restore screen, pick the backup with the photos, check the date and size so you don't pick an old one by mistake. The system restores core data first. Photos and large attachments often download afterward, so be patient. Make sure the device stays connected to Wi-Fi and power and keep it unlocked when prompted. If prompted for passwords, enter Apple ID or account credentials so photo data can decrypt and complete. Finish by verifying photos are present and complete the setup. Open the Photos app and look in Recents and Albums. Once done, allow time for full-size images to reappear if thumbnails show first. If photos are missing, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled and try toggling it off then on to force a resync. If that fails, check your Apple ID, available iCloud storage, and update iOS. These steps usually resolve issues and get your pictures back where you expect them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.